everyone, thank you for watching. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to share my two favorite messy buns. I wear these all the time and get asked all the time how I do them, so I really hope you find this video helpful. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below, and let's get started. For the first bun, I'm going to start by brushing all of my hair up towards the top of my head. Then I'm going to take a hairband and slide it halfway over the ponytail. Now I'm going to pick up the ponytail with my thumb and pointer finger, and then put my pointer finger into the hairband. Then I'm going to twist my hand under towards the back of my head, then let go with my thumb and place it in the hairband. Then I'm going to grab the bun with my left hand and pull the hairband over the bun with my right hand. Now I'm going to show you the exact same thing but from the front, just so you can see how it looks. And now I'm going to pull on the back loop to tighten the bun against my head, and then I'm just going to rearrange the front loop so it's similar in size to the back one. And then I'm going to pin down the edges of the bun with bobby pins just so there aren't any gaps in the bun. Moving on to the second bun, I'm going to start by wrapping a hairband over my ponytail. Then I'm going to wrap the hairband over my right hand, and with my left hand I'm going to spread the ponytail around the hairband. Then I'm going to wrap the hairband twice more over the bun. Now I'm just going to pull on the edges of the bun to tighten it against my head, and this will also make the bun a little bit fuller. And then with the ends left sticking out, I'm just going to loop them back towards the bun and tuck them into the hairband. Then I can just kind of move the bun around until I like the way it looks, and then just set everything with hairspray. So that's the end of today's tutorial. Be sure to let me know which bun was your favorite, number 1 or number 2. I love both, but let me know down in the comments if you liked one more than the other. Also, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. You can click my little picture right up here. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next time.